kasi nga kinapos lang ito.
Yeah, it was a good run, but fell short by one possessions again. But still thankful and appreciate all the effort of my players and the whole team, because 3 weeks ago we're out, but we made the last trip, the last lap of the playoffs. But siyempre nakakahinayang kasi we're almost there. But credit also to the North. They deserve to be in the semifinals, because the whole conference they are playing very well. And I think also my players also they deserve also this kind of game or this kind of appreciation, because they played well also until the last minute, until the last second of the game. We almost have a chance to win with the last shot of 4. But again, there's only one team na kailangan manalo. And also, Coach Bonnie and Northford deserve to be the semifinals.
Kasi naging laro ni Paul and then yung last shot sana na
Paul gave us a chance, an opportunity to win. By bringing the last 5 minutes of the game, but we were down by 12, but we almost won the game. So it's the whole character of the players. But again, sabi nga namin kanina doon, it's one win or 2 wins in the elimination will not go to this kind of situation. So we need to talk about it maybe before the start of our preparations to take care of ourselves as much as possible, limit the injuries, minimize namin the injuries, because it hurts us. This conference, the injury to our import, our local players. We have to be healthy, hopefully by next season, by next conference. Right now, we just try to rest for a few weeks. Then we will go back and prepare for the Philippines.
Quick thoughts lang po sa kay Ricardo, at least the performance niya for this conference.
Yeah, I mean, if he's healthy, wala naman tayo masasabi doon, talagang can perform on the highest level. But of course, if something bothers him, yun lang yung medyo mabigat. Because almost half of the conference is injured. So, but again, thankful to him because on this our last push, talagang binigay naman niya lahat. Yun nga lang, we fell short on this one.
Sa Pilipino, kasi itong stretch na nag-winning streak yung mga locals mo, si Peter Paro, sila Shane Lucero, Jonas Timosa, they were able to step up ang ganun malaking bagay yung going to be Filipino na may
the coaching staff expect them to perform in the highest level also. Hopefully they can adjust on the all Filipino, especially Jerome. We need Jerome and we need him to play consistent basketball. We're giving him a little bit room because he's a rookie. But again, we need him badly, especially on the all Filipino, because Mark, we cannot afford Mark to play in the 30 plus minutes. Hopefully Jerome can step up, especially yung kanyang mindset, yung kanyang aggressiveness. Then Xavier's there, so he's always there. So yun lang. Let's hope and pray na consistent basketball for these 3 guys, and my veterans to be healthy. Yeah, Alvaro playing also good basketball, but again, it's also a rookie, so just try to bigyan pa siya ng more time to adjust, more time to get better.